In the agreement of the verb with the subject, the sixth rule we have come to. The rule number 6 says, when a singular subject are preceded by each or every, the verb is usually in the singular form. That's a rule number 6. So the rule 6 says, rule number 6. It says, when singular subjects, when singular subjects are preceded by when the singular subjects are preceded by each, okay, by each or every, each or every. Each or every, the verb is usually singular. The verb is usually singular. Let's look at that. So, in the rule number 6, it says, when singular subjects are preceded by each and every, then the verb remains singular. Each and every. Normally you say, no? So I have some examples here for us to understand. Now, when I say each of the boy, there are a number of boys here. When I say, you are using the word each. The word each is preceded. Each of the boys, lots of boys, each of the boys, then the verb is singular, is intelligent. That means everybody is intelligent, every single boy. That's what it means. So the example here is, each of the boys, a singular boy, when singular subjects are preceded by each, then the verb becomes singular. Each of the boys is intelligent. Here, another example. Every animal, we can use every, even every is preceded. Every animal in the jungle was worried. Every animal in the jungle was worried. Every animal in the jungle was worried. Maybe there was a fire. Was worried. Yeah. One more rule, one more sentence. Each boy and girl, that is, each boy, each girl. Each boy and girl. Each boy and girl. There's a boy, there's a girl. Each boy and girl, the singular verb is. Each boy and girl is. Singular form of verb. Each boy and girl is given a gift. Is given a gift. Let's look at the rule number 6 we have here. When singular subjects preceded by each or every, then the verb is always in the singular form. Each of the boys is intelligent. Every animal in the jungle was worried. Each boy and girl is given a gift. That is rule number 6. The rule number 7 says, when a plural noun comes between a singular subject, a plural noun coming between a singular subject and its verb, the verb should not agree with the nearest plural noun, but with the real subject. So when the plural noun comes between singular subject, we have to find out the real subject. Then they say the verb should not agree with the nearest plural noun, but with the real subject. Let's look at the example, then you will know. The quality of the books. The quality of the books was not good. We're talking about plural noun. Number of books are there. Okay? A plural noun comes between a singular subject. One subject only you're talking about, that's the book. Then the verb should not agree with the nearest, because books, it's plural, but with what is the real subject? We're talking about the quality. Therefore, the quality of the books was not good. Another example I have is, one of the girls, number of girls are there, which is the real subject. One of the girls is sitting here. So we got to be very careful in the verb agreement. So the rule number 7. Rule number 7 says, when a plural noun comes between a singular subject. A singular subject. A singular subject. A plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb. What happens to its verb? And its verb, the verb should not the verb should not agree. Should not agree with the nearest plural noun. Should not agree with the nearest plural noun. Nearest plural noun. But with the real subject. But with the real subject. Okay? Real subject. Look at the example, then you will understand. A couple of examples for you to understand. The quality of books. The quality. The quality of the books. When a plural noun, the quality of the books. This is the plural noun, books, comes between a singular subject. Then the verb should agree with the nearest, should not agree with the nearest. Nearest noun is books. So it should agree with the real subject is the quality. So the quality of the books was not good. The quality of the books was singular. The quality of the books was not good. And another example for you. One of the girls is sitting here. One of the girls is sitting here. Sitting here. Okay? So although you have the noun close to it as girls, it is, but we use the real subject, that is one. So singular. Okay, we have done rule number 6, rule number 7. Rule number 6 says, when a singular subject preceded by each and every, then usually the verb is singular form. And the rule number 7 says, when plural nouns come between singular subject, the verb should not agree with the nearest subject, but with the real subject. Here the real subject is quality, the real subject is one girl. So it's always singular.